everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Sophie and welcome to my space on the internet. In today's video we are doing the fourth video in my new series on my channel, which is the colours of the rainbow, and the fourth colour of the rainbow being green, and that is the look on my eyes right now. And if you want to watch me do this look / do this look with me, then keep watching. Okie dokie, it is the green look today. If the lighting goes a bit weird in this video, it's because it's like 10 o'clock and like at 10 o'clock the sun starts to like creep over the roof just outside my window and starts shining in, so if the lighting's weird, that is why. So yeah, green look. We're going to start with the James Charles palette, shock, and go into the dark green in this corner and just sort of shove it all over the lid like we did in the red look. See, look, you can see the sun. Okay, so I've closed one curtain, so like I said, lighting's going to go weird in this video. Apologies. Also, my hair is still wet from my shower, but yeah, I'm just going to work with it. So I'm going into the dark green shade, I'm just going to shove it in like a winged out shape on my lid. I feel like this might end up being my least favourite rainbow look that I do, which is a shame because green looks are normally my favourite, but this is like my second attempt at doing a green look today. It's just not happening for me. Just taking a little flat brush and just packing that green shade in my inner corner. As you know, I always struggle to get the colour in there. And then just sort of roughly starting to blend out those edges a little bit. Okay, I feel like it's really dark because I've had to close that window. So I have a lot of fallout, if you hadn't seen, but that's absolutely fine because we always clean up underneath. I'm now going to go into my Me, Myself and Mama Mitchell palette and take this green. I don't know why I'm not using the James Charles palette, it's got a pale green in there as well, but I wanted to use this one, and then just taking this little fluffy brush and coating that brush and popping this all around the edges of the dark green. Back in with the first dark brush and just blending the two colours together. Then taking a cleanish fluffy brush and then fluff out the edges. I say cleanish because I've used it on the other side, so it's technically not really clean anymore. And then just doing a bit of back and forth between the dark brush and the light brush just to get that blend, yeah, no? Okie dokie, and I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and wipe up underneath. Ooh, chucking stuff around. I always find it's really hard to clean up green. It always just seems to linger on the skin. They relatively match, you know, kind of. Just gonna keep perfecting that blend a little bit more. Okie dokie, I'm now going to do my cut crease again, just with the usual P. Louise base. Squeeze some out. Gonna wipe clean my brush to give me a cleaner start. Taking this little flat brush and start carving out the crease. Sorry if I do a shit job of filming it. Wow, I am just not okay today. I feel like it's because I'm filming so early. I don't normally film this early. I think they kind of match. Okay, now just taking the dark brush in the dark green from the James Charles palette and just packing that on the outside corner of that cut crease to blend it back in. Now I'm just going to take a flat brush and we're going to go into this turquoisey green shade called Miracle in the Mitchell palette and pack that on the cut crease. Okie, this is what the eyes are looking like so far. I'm now going to pop off camera, do the rest of my face, clean up all the excess green eyeshadow that I've chucked everywhere on my desk, and I'll be back to do the lower lash line and finish up this green look. I look so unpresentable today. Yay. Okie, I am back to do the lower lash line. So we're going to start with the James Charles palette and go back into the dark green. And that one, I'm just going to use the same flat brush because CBA to make more brushes dirty. And I'm going to put that on the lower lash line, just like on the outer edges of it. Now I'm just going to go back into the Mitchell palette and take the shade Marine, the turquoisey green, and pop that on the inner part of the lower lash line. Again, just with a little brush. Taking the green fluffy brush and actually going into the lime green shade that we used in the Mitchell palette and just blending that underneath. And then just going back into the other two colours and just build up their intensity again. Okie dokie, and to finally finish off the eyeshadow look, I'm going to go into the shade Marine, which is this really lovely like crushed glittery shade, and pop that in my inner corner. Put a bit with my finger but also a bit with a brush to sort of blend it out. Push it into the skin. It's a really nice bright shimmery shade. Obsessed. Lovely. I'm now going to pop off camera, finish off my makeup and do something with my wet hair, and I'll be back with the finished look. Hello, I'm back. I look normal. I've got dressed. I realised while I was getting dressed that I've not made my bed today, and that has been like that the entire of this video and the video that I'm also filming at the same time. Amazing. Is what it is. I'm a real person. Sometimes making a bed, it's just not a priority, you know. But yeah, I don't own any green clothes, so what we're getting is this cute little headband which is from Primark. If you don't know, Primark is an amazing place to get your hairband fixed because they're cheap and they like create new ones all the time, so there's lots of amazing hairbands to look at. But yeah, this is the finished eyeshadow look. I popped on mascara. Obviously you can put false eyelashes on, but we know I can't do them. And then the lip gloss that I'm wearing is the e.l.f. lip gloss, the lip plumping one. But yeah, this is the finished green look. I'm really happy with how this one has turned out. This is my second attempt at doing a green look on my channel. The first one did not go well and I had to wipe it off and start again. And yeah, we made it to this look and I really like how it turned out. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed the fourth video in my new rainbow series. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. I'd love to have you back here. My name's Sophie. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day.